blenders are a great way to make fresh, healthy and delicious fruit smoothies. However, not all blenders are created equal. The good news is that we've compiled the top 10 best blenders for frozen fruit smoothies in 2023. We took into account factors like price, power and quality of each blender as well as reviews from customers to create this list. Number 1. The Ninja Blender is our top pick for the best blender for frozen fruit smoothies in 2023. It has a 1100-watt motor that can pulverize ice and chop fresh ingredients evenly. The blender also comes with 3 manual speeds, pulse, and a single serve function for to-go cups. Additionally, the Ninja Professional Countertop Blender has an XL capacity 72-ounce pitcher and sharp blades perfect for creating creamy frozen drinks and smoothies for the whole family or entertaining guests. The blender is also easy to clean, with all parts being BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. Finally, the Ninja Blender comes with a 28-recipe inspiration guide to get you started with easy-to-prepare smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and more. Number 2. Best Personal Blender, NutriBullet Pro 900 Series Blender. If you are looking for a personal blender that is perfect for making frozen fruit smoothies, then the NutriBullet blender is a great option. It has a powerful 900-watt motor and stainless steel blades that can easily break down dense ingredients, and it comes with 2 32-ounce cups so you can make enough for multiple people. Best Budget Blender, Oster My Blend Blender. If you are looking for a good blender in the budget-friendly price range that is perfect for making frozen fruit smoothies, then the Oster My Blend blender is a great addition to your kitchen counter. This blender is powerful enough to pulverize frozen fruit and ice cubes, yet it is small and compact enough to keep on your counter every day, making it one of our top picks. The My Blend also comes with a convenient carrying hook, so you can take your smoothie with you on the go. It's great for those on a tight budget. Best High-End Blender, Vitamix Professional Series 750 Blender. If you are looking for a high-end Vitamix blender that is perfect for making frozen fruit smoothies, then the Vitamix Professional Series 750 blender is a great option. This blender features 5 pre-programmed settings, so you can easily make smoothies, frozen desserts, soups, and purees. It also has a variable speed control and pulse feature that let you manually fine-tune the texture of any recipe. The 64-ounce container is perfect for family meals and entertaining, while fitting comfortably under most kitchen cabinets. Plus, the hardened stainless steel blades are designed to handle the toughest ingredients. And, if you need to clean the blender, it has a self-cleaning feature that only takes 30 to 60 seconds and only uses a drop of dish soap and warm water. Pros: -5 pre-programmed settings. Variable speed controls and pulse feature. 64-ounce container. Hardened stainless steel blades. Self-cleaning feature. Does much more than just a frozen fruit smoothie. You can make ice cream, hot soup and so much more in this powerful blender. Cons: expensive. Best Portable Blender, Pop Baby's Portable Blender. If you are looking for a portable blender that you can take with you on the go, then the Pop Baby's Portable Blender is a great choice. This blender comes with a 14 ounces jar that you can blend and drink from wherever you are. It is also compact in size, making it the perfect blender for home, office, or travel. The Pop Baby's Portable Blender is also unique in that it can blend while it is charging. This blender is safe and versatile, as it is dishwasher safe and perfect for making shakes and smoothies, protein shakers, baby food, etc. It is also powerful enough to crush ice cubes, frozen fruits, and seeds. You won't have to worry about plugging issues when you travel to different countries with this blender. Pros: blends and drinks from the 14 ounces jar. Compact and perfect for home, office, or travel. Can blend while charging. Dishwasher safe. Perfect for making shakes and smoothies, protein shakers, baby food, etc. Cons: None that we could find, except that it's not the smallest portable blender out there. Best blender for smoothie bowls, Ninja Foodie Smoothie Bowl and Nutrient Extractor. The Ninja Foodie Smoothie Bowl and Nutrient Extractor gave the best results for frozen fruit smoothie bowls, thanks to its powerful 1200 peak-watt motor and 6 versatile functions. With the built-in temper, you can easily blend and power through frozen foods with less liquid for perfectly thick smoothie bowls, nut butters, and blender ice cream. The 24-ounce nutrient extraction cup also allows for smoother extractions, smoothies, and frozen drinks. Plus, the Smart Torque technology prevents stalling or the need to stir or shake. Finally, the easy-to-clean base and blender with dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. Pros: powerful 1200 peak-watt motor. 6 versatile functions. Built-in temper for easy blending. Nutrient extraction cup for smoother extractions. Smart Torque technology prevents stalling. Easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts. Cons: a bit on the smaller side, not for blending large batches. Best blender for a small kitchen, Ninja Compact Personal Blender. The Ninja Compact Personal Blender is perfect for small living spaces and on-the-go lifestyles. It comes with two 16-ounce single-serve cups, making it easy to blend and go. The 700-watt motor base has pulse technology that pulverizes ingredients for smooth results every time. The nutrient extraction feature extracts hidden nutrition from fruits and vegetables. The frozen blending function is perfect for crushing ice and frozen ingredients to make resort-like frozen drinks, smoothies, and frozen treats. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. Pros: 700-watt motor base with pulse technology. Nutrient extraction feature for extracting hidden nutrition. Frozen blending function for crushing ice and frozen ingredients. BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. Cons: not as powerful as some of the other options on this list. Best large capacity blender, Blendtec Total Classic Original Blender. If you are looking for a blender with a large capacity, the Blendtec Total Classic Original Blender is the perfect choice for you. With a capacity of 75 ounces, this blender can easily accommodate large batches of ingredients, making it ideal for delicious smoothies and shakes for a crowd. The blades are also 10 times stronger than other blender blades, making it perfect for crushing ice, tough ingredients and frozen fruit. In addition, the self-cleaning feature makes it easy to clean, with just a little soap and water. Pros: minus 10 times stronger blades than other blender blades. Self-cleaning feature. Large capacity. Cons: some reviewers complain about how loud it is. So today we've given you the best blenders for frozen fruit smoothies to help you choose the best one for your needs, whatever they may be. I hope you enjoy your new blender and be sure to try out some of our smoothie recipes in there.